Let's talk about voice typing in Google Docs. I'm here in a document and I'm going to go up to Tools and down to Voice Typing. And when I do, a little microphone is going to appear on the left-hand side. Now notice it says English here. I can change the language that I'm going to speak, but I'm going to leave it on English because I'm going to speak English. And I'm going to click it and it's going to start recording.
People think sharks are scary, but they are not! Exclamation point. I just love sharks because they just want to eat and be happy. Period. New paragraph. What do you think about sharks? Question mark.
Imagine the power your students will have by being able to self-edit based on what the AI has typed out for them. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.